A windy day. Oh, it might be so good so I can watch some TV. I wonder what's on. Wolf, we got a problem. The door is open itself. What? Be right back, Penny. Alright? No, open the door by itself, or we get breezy. Well, I have my coat anyway, and my color. Thanks, Wolf. You're welcome. Don't you know? And when you sit on the couch every day, watch TV. Yeah, I do. I do watch TV every day. Hey, Miss Calamity, what is it, Bumpy? Do you know why it's windy today? Yeah, I remember. Well, it's windy today, so you can't go out. Not without a coat. You'll breeze. Oh, I know. Oh. Do you know why Axolotl is here? Yeah. Oh, hi you two. Hey, Axolotl, you right? Uh-huh. Check out this cupboard. Oh, yeah. Oh no. Oh, no. So windy. No. Oh, keep this wood on the eye of them. Good. What the hell was that? Oh no! Elmo thinks it's the wind. Oh hell no! I gotta do something. Really? Oh, the wind is gone. Well, even that, there's no problem now. Hey, Parasaurolophus. What is it, Enderman? Do you know why Pig is here? I'm in the Jurassic Street Zoo. Does he use his senses before he snouts his nose? Yeah. Go oink all the time. Oh yeah. Come into this beach. It has no wind. What? No beach. No, there's a beach over there. Because it has no wind. It opened in 2025. Oh, okay then. Well, do you know why the wind has clouds? The wind is too strong. It's a windy day. Hey, Rexy. Yeah? Do you know what that means? What is it? What does that mean? That means a windy day today. No school. Oh, I know. It is windy. Well, what is it then? So, as you can see here there are some leaves outside. Hey, Miss Sunshine. Oh, Penny Fitzgerald. There you are. I didn't know. Oh, but I have to stay in my shell, so I take it off at nap, at bedtime. Really? Yeah. Okay. Well, even that, I'm gonna watch some TV right away and watch some shows. Good idea. Okay, then. Oh, no. What am I gonna do with this? I also got a new flower pot with 7 ender pearls. Oh, thank you. Come again. You're welcome. But Tomty said you were offensive. Sorry. That's okay. Thank you for apologizing. Oh no, the wind is back! Do something! Oh hell no, not the wind again. What the hell was that, Miss Calamity? Oh, I know. That thing a stupid idea was a calamity. This calamity was a stupid idea. What? A stupid idea. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. I heard the wind again. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh. Hey, Giacomo. Yeah, Tilly? You forgot Larry. Where's Larry? Next to me. Oh, thank you, Tilly. You're welcome. Hey, Giacomo. Larry, where have you been? I've been to the shops and get some more cat food. Oh, yeah. I know. but I know. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Ah, I need to relax and relax my feet. I'm getting really tired. Well, Miss Sunshine, I seen that shell. Looks pretty odd. What, is that your shell? Yeah. I have to keep it on. Oh, yeah. Larry's a cat, and he won't get cold. He has got a coat. Yeah, he's pretty fun, ain't Tilly? Uh-huh. Don't you see as my friend, Pin? What, who's Pin? My friend as a pin. But what is it then? A pin. Oh, yeah. I know. I need to watch some TV. Let me see. Oh, yeah? We have to stay inside the house or we freeze. I know, but I have scales, because I'm a dinosaur. Uh-huh. Whoa, Larry, you got a coat here to protect the wind. Uh-huh. But the wind is too strong. It might be a windy day. Oh, I know. Oh, I remember. There must be something good. Hey, Larry, you've got a coat right over there, so you protect it from the wind. I know, that is good. Giacomoco, thank you for reminding me. You're welcome. There you are, Darwin. Is there anything good for you? Uh-huh, yes there is. What do you want then? I think I need some pizza. Ooh, you want pizza? Yeah, there's a pizza delivery in Creeper's house. Oh yeah. Sometimes Creeper delivers pizza. Uh-huh. Yeah, but sometimes I deliver pizza. But every day I watch TV. It's good to have watching TV. This is so good. So bussin'. Hey, I wonder if it's a show on. Let's get the remote and see what is on. Where's my remote? Oh, there it is. Let's watch some shows.